getting the heck out of us. This is so water. Oh my god. Oh, how are we gonna get across? Guys, write in the comments how are we gonna cross, because oh no, guys, what are we gonna do, guys? We can't cross. That's a big problem. So yeah, let's go back. Well, that was really unnecessary. We literally can't go anywhere except here. So we might not have to stay in this house for a couple days. Then I will go out like here because it's actually really low water. So yeah, guys, what are we gonna do right now? So let's show you around. Let's go. This is here straight. Let's go show you guys what's straight. Let's go, guys. Let's show you what is straight. Here. Look. So yeah, guys, we're here. Until here's the water. So yeah, guys, those cars are getting demolished. The cars are getting the heck out of this. What is this, guys? What is this? Can you even open? Bro, you can't. Oh no. It's really water, guys. What are you gonna do? Guys, what are we gonna do, guys? Oh no. This is kinda... Oh no. Waves. But there's waves. A cardboard. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys there's a shop right here. So, guys, let's go in. And let's go. Let's just go in for a second. I'm gonna show you the lobby, guys. We're gonna go in the lobby, guys. We're going in the lobby. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So yeah, guys, we made it in. So a lot of people talking, bro. What is happening? First, this is the first couch, guys. Okay, this is the first couch. Since we can't go there, wait a second, guys. I'm gonna be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I found this, so I'm gonna make a sad face because I can't play. I can't play right now, guys. So making me crying. That, I think you can't see it, guys. Yeah, you can see it. So yeah, I showed you the first couch, not for the second couch. Okay, it's kind of cozy. Let's try to sit on it. See how cozy it is. Oh no, this is actually kind of cozy, guys. This is actually kind of cozy. Okay, I can't stand up. This is really comfortable. Okay, let's go to the second couch right there. I don't want to stand up. Oh my god. Here we got the second couch. Kind of lame. I like that couch. That's my favorite one. So this is white couch. You know, that's kind of not cool. Another one. I think it's comfortable. Oh my god, that is not comfortable. Yeah, that's a 0 star. That is the table, and that is 10 out of 10, bro. I think that's 100 out of 10. Let me show you the next couch. It's the same couch but another place. I can't go to the place. There guys, I give you a time. This is... Wait a second guys. Okay guys. So... I'm gonna show you my... Wait, come outside, I want to show you something. Yeah, that is block B and that is block A. So if you're Muslim, there's a in the block A there is a prayer room. I'm gonna show you first this. So this is the guys, yeah, this is the with the elevator when you go up. Okay guys. Okay, that is what's another one? Oh no. Let's show you the block A. Let's go A. I'm gonna show you the block A. I almost slipped. Guys, we're already at the block A. So this is the elevator. Same. Thing is have a telephone. I don't know why, but I feel like the block A is much better. I think. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Let's go back outside. There is the prayer room. It's not kind of saying the block A, block B. Let's go back outside, guys. Guys, I almost slipped. Did you spot that, guys? Oh, not there. I literally almost fell down. Oh. Did you saw this, guys? A lot. Oh no. Oh no, I have to get cross, but yeah, I definitely can go. Guys, what should I do? Guys, what should I do, guys? Because I ain't know what to do. Because right now we are going. So yeah, guys, what are we gonna do? So yeah, guys, what are we gonna do now? Look, just look. How are we supposed to get across? How are we supposed to get across? I think we kind of need all of these chairs to get across. Bro, are you? It's raining again, guys. Training. So yeah, we have a big problem where I can't literally cross because a lot of ton of water. So what are we gonna do? Please, go in the comments and say yes or no if I should go in the water or no. On the comments, tell yes or no. Oh no. Do you see that cars? It's already the water above them. Oh my god, guys. This is really getting me the heck out of this. What are we gonna do right now, guys? So guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing. How you know this water? They know this water is also made from the pee of the mouse, right? You know that's really dangerous, right, guys? Like that's really dirty. You know what I mean? And I will never touch that. I'm literally, if I go in that, I'm literally not going in there. I just saw when I was down here. I just saw literally some kids was swimming. Oh my god! Why is there people right there? You see that, guys? And yeah, why is there wings? Yeah. So let's come, guys. Let's look here. So guys, those are bullies. You should never talk to them because they're bullies. Okay? If you know, for you can know, guys. Oh my god. Look, guys, if you want to read this. Okay, no, I'm not doing that. Hoka? What does that mean? Guys. Wait, that was kind of weird, guys. Oh no, guys, what are we gonna do? Write in the comments what should we do, guys. Write in the comments what should we do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna teleport there. That's there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna teleport there. Wait, gotta teleport there. Okay, we teleported, guys. So, oh no, guys, what is happening? Guys, this is destroying the world. Guys, what are we gonna do? Let's go back in. I'm gonna show you guys the face cam. Let's go back. Finally, I think I'm gonna sit yeah, someone is sitting right now. So guys, yeah. So let's get in this seat and let's sit down a little bit. Yeah. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like and subscribe button, guys. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.